Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim videos you added in the CapCut PC. So I've already on the CapCut PC editing page. Here, I'm going to add this clip into the timeline. So currently my video is on 10 seconds long and I'm going to trim it to around 5 seconds. So if you want to trim it, you can just click on the video here in the timeline, and then here you can go to the end of the video or the start. It depends on the part that you want to trim. Let's say I want to trim the start here. So once you put your cursor here at the beginning, you'll see this black like lines in here. You can just drag it to the right and your clip, your videos will be trimmed automatically. As you guys can see now, it's on 5 seconds long. So that's really easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.